G'day, I'm here at Wirraway Homestead in the beautiful Adelaide Hills, where our school camps are in full swing and our students are having a great time. Wirraway Homestead offers 3-day school camping adventures where students have an awesome learning experience outside of the classroom. Our goal is to create the conditions where students can connect with their peers, their teachers and themselves, and be encouraged and supported to take healthy risks in a safe and controlled environment, and have fun. Our challenge by choice approach encourages students to think independently. Students choose the level of challenge that's right for them, and we provide support and encouragement to help them achieve their goals. Our activities take teamwork. Students encourage each other so everyone can experience success while developing new life skills. Shed talks are a time for students to reflect on their experiences and the values they're learning. Or if you're a faith-based school, we can unpack those connections back to your spiritual development program. It's your choice. We'll work with you to design a program that meets your needs. Each Wirraway Homestead camp can accommodate up to 100 campers and will cater for most dietary needs, and our online portal makes communicating dietary and medical needs simple. We know that it's the positive relationships that develop on camp that can make the biggest difference back in the classroom. And that's the true value of school camps at Wirraway. So if you're looking to give your students the ultimate outdoor adventure, come to Wirraway Homestead. You can find out more at our website.